Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen sensor thread chaser. This specialized tool is essential for maintaining the integrity of your vehicle's exhaust system. It helps restore damaged threads in the oxygen sensor bung, ensuring a perfect seal and proper function for your new sensor. Using it correctly prevents costly exhaust leaks and future sensor replacement headaches, saving you time and effort. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always don your safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from any debris. Ensure the exhaust system is completely cool to the touch. Working on a hot exhaust can cause severe burns. Finally, use a wire brush to thoroughly clean the area around the oxygen sensor bung, removing any loose rust or carbon buildup. Now, let's chase those threads. Carefully insert the correct size thread chaser into the oxygen sensor bung. Most oxygen sensors use an 18mm by 1.5mm thread. Turn the tool clockwise, applying gentle, steady pressure. After every 2 or 3 turns, back the chaser out 1/2 turn to break and clear any metal shavings, preventing thread damage. After chasing, clean the threads thoroughly with a clean cloth to remove all debris. Next, apply a small, even amount of high-temperature anti-seize compound to the threads of your new oxygen sensor. This prevents future seizing. Finally, carefully thread in the new sensor by hand, then tighten it to the vehicle manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 30 to 35 foot-pounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.